Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess financial advisor, you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
My name is John Albert. I work in finance, so I help families manage their wealth and their money.
What's the coolest part of your job?
So an exciting part about this job is working with lots of money. So I help my team manage over $400 million.
How did your education prepare you to be good at your work?
It's definitely important that you stay in school, that you go to a higher education. Obviously, understanding numbers, working with numbers, analyzing numbers, banging your head against numbers. So it's very important that you study hard in math.
What super skill do you use in your career?
My super skill is work ethic. I pride myself in beating my boss to work every day. So she comes in at 7:30, I come in at 7. And that's part of the reason I'm doing the management job currently.
What was your biggest challenge to becoming a financial advisor?
It wasn't an easy road for me whatsoever. To be able to work in the stock market, I had to study for government exams that make sure that you're ready. Part of those tests were really hard, so it took me some time. I even failed one of those tests. It's really important to really work hard for the things that you want in life.
What an amazing career! Also, use your be responsible super skill to get the job done. And think about all the things you could be.